All right, everyone. I'm gonna try to make this a very quick video right now, going over fractions. Okay, improper to mixed and mixed to improper. All right, so that's improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. So we want to go from improper to mixed and mixed to improper. All right, so let's take a look right here. So let's start with an improper fraction. So if I have an improper fraction and I'm going to go, let's change that so it's a little bit thicker. There we go. 6/4. 6/4 is an improper fraction. It's an improper fraction because my numerator is larger than my denominator, which makes it improper. Okay? That is improper. Whoop, the P didn't come out. All right, it's not how we normally see it. Our numerator is greater than our denominator. So that's an improper fraction. Now, I want to turn my improper fraction into a mixed number. How can I turn that improper fraction into a mixed number? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is now look at our denominator and say, there's four pieces in a whole. All right. Four equal pieces make up one whole. I have six of those pieces. Well, we're going to say, how many wholes can I take out of the six pieces that I have? Well, if there's four pieces in a whole, I'm going to say, how many times can four go into six without going over? Well, four can go into six one time. All right. So I'm going to go over here. Four can go into six. So really, what I'm doing is four into six is one time. Okay. And how much is left over? Well, if I'm taking away four from my six, there's two left over. So I have one whole with two left over, and my denominator always stays the same. So your mixed number here is 1 2/4. So 6/4 right here equals 1 2/4. All right. Let's try another one. Okay. So I'm going to go. Let's just double check. Yep, we're working. Let's say I have the improper fraction of 11, 11/4. I know 11/4 is an improper fraction because my numerator is greater than my denominator. Don't forget, your denominator is super important because that lets you know how many pieces are in the whole. How many equal pieces are in one whole? Well, that's four, right? So, once again, change my color. This is my improper. That's my improper fraction. Okay. 11/4. How do I make that a mixed number? Well, if there's four pieces in a whole and I have 11 pieces, well, then that means, well, I could look at it this way. There's four pieces in one whole. Okay. Eight pieces are going to be in two wholes. So this is one whole. This is now another one whole. Can I do another four pieces? No, because that would be 12 pieces, right? So I can't do that. So I could have two wholes, okay, 4, 8, okay, and how many pieces are left over? Well, 9, 10, 11. 3 pieces. And my denominator stays the same. So 11/4 is 2 3/4. Because what you're doing really is 4 goes into 11 two times, okay? Two full times without going over. And if I take out those 8 pieces in those two holes, I have 3 left. 3/4 is your mixed number. So this is my mixed number. That is how you change a improper fraction to a mixed number. Now, let's quickly go over mixed number to improper fraction. Now you're just doing the reverse. So if I start with a mixed number of, let's say, 3 2/3, that's my mixed number because I know I have the whole number and I have a fraction. They're mixed together. Whole and fraction mixed together is a mixed number. Now, I like doing this because this is the swooping around method. Okay, so to swooping around, I'm going to say, I have 3 wholes and 2/3. So I know that I have there are 3 pieces in my whole. Going to times that by how many holes? 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then we're going to add how many extra pieces we have, which is 2. So 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. 11 over, denominator stays the same. That is your improper fraction there, would be 11/3. It's the swoop around method. Okay? So I'm going to do another one. Let's do 2. Let's do 2 4/5. That is your mixed number. Okay. I'm going to now convert that to an improper fraction. Well, start with my denominator, 5 pieces in a whole. I'm going to multiply that by 2 wholes. So that's 10 pieces so far. And I'm going to add 4 more. So that's 10 and 4 is 14 all over my 5. That is my improper fraction, 14/5. Okay, so hope this video helped. I'm going to go right back here. Improper to mixed, mixed to improper.